Imagine this. It's the late 18th century, and the fate of a nation hangs in the balance. Enter George Washington, poised for battle. But wait, the commander-in-chief is suddenly struck by an epic case of hiccups. Yes, you heard that right. During a crucial strategy meeting, Washington's hiccups overshadowed military might. As he attempted to rally troops, each hiccup echoed like cannon fire, leaving everyone in stitches. Even his generals struggled to keep a straight face. This ironic twist highlights how even the most serious moments can hinge on the absurd. Washington eventually conquered those pesky hiccups, but they remind us that history was, at times, hilariously unpredictable.